Hey everyone, in this video we're reviewing ThermaRocket Heater, and we're going to talk about if it's a legit product or a scam. So are you looking for a efficient portable heater that can help you warm this winter? Today we're reviewing the ThermaRocket Heater to see if it really delivers or it's just another scam. This heater boasts features like fast heat up time, energy efficiency and adjustable thermostat controls. It's marketed as a cost-effective solution for your heating needs. But how well does it really work? Right, so let's talk about the pros. Firstly, it heats up quickly, is portable and has a modern design. Cons, it's more effective in smaller spaces, and at higher settings it can become a bit noisy. So is the ThermaRocket Heater worth your money? If you're looking for a quick and convenient heating solution for small room, it's a solid choice. But if you're heating larger spaces or expecting silent operation, you might want to consider other options. ThermaRocket delivers on its promises, but with a few limitations. Have you tried it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and stay warm this winter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next review.